Last two examples here, a little bit more on the bottom of each one, so let's check them out. First thing you need to do is factor whatever you need to on the bottom. We factor x squared minus 8x plus 12. That factors into x minus 6, x minus 2. Nice thing is it's going to factor, based on what I give you, it's going to factor into what we already have. All right, so that should help you out with factoring. Those two factors, x minus 2 and x minus 6, become your lowest common multiple. So we multiply everything by the lowest common multiple, which is x minus 2, x minus 6. Either order, it doesn't matter. X minus 2, x minus 6, x minus 2, x minus 6. First fraction, left side, everything cancels. We're good to go. Everything cancels. All you're left with is 4. Second fraction, just the x minus 2's cancel, so you have an x you need to distribute that's left over. So we have x squared minus 6x. Last fraction, x minus 6's cancel. All you're left with is an x minus 2, just times 1, so it's just x minus 2. Again, you make it to this step, you're good to go. Combine like terms is what I would do first. I also noticed that the x squared's not going away, so I'm going to need to factor. So I subtract the 4. I get 0 equals x squared minus 5x minus 6. Factor it out. Possible solutions are going to be 6 and negative 1. I checked those those possible solutions out on the bottom of our fractions. I have an x minus 2 and an x minus 6. Our answer is 6, makes the bottom 0 in a couple fractions. So 6 cannot work. X equals negative 1 is your only solution. That is it. 6 cannot work because it makes the bottom 0 in a couple fractions. First time seeing that, only time seeing that today. Next and last example, just another one for good measure, like the last one. Factor first, but as I mentioned, it's going to factor into what we have. We have an x plus 1, an x minus 6. There's your lowest common multiple. So we have that, multiply everything by it. You're going to learn shortcuts as you go through these. You guys kind of cut out some steps here and there if you need to. Obviously, I do need to see complete work on this. You can't cut out everything. Can't be doing these in your head. X plus 1's cancel. I'm left with a 4. I need to distribute here. So it's 4x minus 24 plus everything cancels. But I'm still left with a 1, so don't forget that. So it's a plus 1. Right side, x minus 6 is cancel. I'm left with a 1 times x plus 1, so it's just x plus 1. You're here, you're good to go. We don't have any x squared, so we don't have to factor. I combine like terms first, and then do what I need to do after that. In this case, just get x by itself. Take as many steps as you need. I'm going to subtract x. That's 3x. I'm going to add 23. That's 24. X equals 8. And it's going to work out for us as well. It does not make the bottom 0 in any of the fractions, so we're good to go.